Welcome to today's episode of Channel Name, where we explore the intersection of AI and human jobs. I'm your host A Name, and I'm excited to dive into this topic with you. The truth is, AI automation is not just a future threat, but a present reality that's already displacing human workers. Imagine a world where robots and artificial intelligence do all the work while humans are left with nothing to do. It's not just a distant future, but a reality that's already unfolding before our eyes. From manufacturing to customer service, AI automation is rapidly replacing human jobs, and the consequences are dire. According to a study by the Brookings Institution, AI automation has already replaced over 2 million jobs in the U.S. alone, and this number is expected to triple by 2025. This means that millions of Americans will be out of work, and the jobs they once held will be taken over by machines. But why is this happening, and what can we do to prevent it? Let's dive deeper into the world of AI automation and explore the causes and effects of this silent job killer.
That's a great question. Host a name. AI automation is a complex issue that involves multiple factors, including technological advancements, economic pressures, and societal changes. On one hand, AI has made tremendous progress in recent years, enabling machines to perform tasks that were once exclusive to humans. On the other hand, the rise of AI has also created new challenges for workers, including job displacement, skill obsolescence, and income inequality. So, how can we balance the benefits of AI with the needs of human workers? One possible solution is to invest in education and retraining programs that prepare workers for the changing job market.
That's a great point. Host B Name. Education and training are crucial for workers to adapt to the changing job market. However, this is not a straightforward solution, as it requires significant investment and infrastructure changes. Moreover, even with education and training, there's no guarantee that workers will be able to find new jobs or maintain their standard of living.
Absolutely. Host a name. The impact of AI automation goes beyond just job displacement. It also raises questions about the future of work, the role of humans in the economy, and the very concept of employment. As AI takes over more tasks, we need to rethink our assumptions about work, leisure, and purpose.
That's a thought-provoking perspective. Host B Name. The future impact of AI automation will depend on how we choose to respond to its challenges and opportunities. Will we create a world where humans are augmented by machines, or will we create a world where humans are replaced by machines?
Well, host a name. The choice is ours. We can choose to invest in education and training, support workers who are displaced by automation, and create new opportunities for humans to work alongside machines. Or we can choose to ignore the problem, hoping that it will go away on its own.
That's right, Host B Name. The future of AI automation is not just a technical issue, but a societal one that requires our collective attention and action. So, what can we do to prevent the worst-case scenario and create a future where humans and machines work together in harmony?
That's a great question. Host a name. Here are a few suggestions. First, we need to invest in education and training programs that prepare workers for the changing job market. Second, we need to support workers who are displaced by automation, providing them with a safety net and opportunities for retraining. Third, we need to create new opportunities for humans to work alongside machines, leveraging their unique skills and strengths.
Those are great suggestions, Host B Name. By working together, we can create a future where humans and machines collaborate, innovate, and thrive together. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Channel Name. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more AI-related content.
And don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions below. We want to hear from you and explore the intersection of AI and human jobs further. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.